Hey, new and aspiring managers. Welcome to my channel. Feeling unsure and unsuccessful in your role? Well, partner with me to discover strategies to effectively lead and manage your team. Transform into a confident, strong leader. Quickly acquire the skills you need to achieve success, personal brand growth, and get the recognition you deserve so you can earn more money. My name is Keon and I possess over a decade of people management experience, having led a combined total of over 250 individual contributors and managers. I have deep passion and adoration for the new and aspiring managers. There's an art to being a highly effective leader. I'm super excited to share the knowledge and experience that I've acquired over the years. I understand that leadership is not just about theory, complex methodologies, and 10,000 step ideas, and that's why I provide you with practical, actionable tactics to inspire and guide you to leading a successful team. Are you ready to elevate your leadership skills? Then let's work together. Subscribe to the tribe and get the juice you need to succeed.